Good morning students. Today we are going to start our moment book and starting with the chapter The Last Leaf, which is written by O. Henry. This is a story which is based on the importance of a sacrifice, and here two friends are mentioned. One character, you can say that two characters are there, Sui and Johnsy. Okay, and they were very good friends, and once Johnsy gets ill, and in spite of her friend, she tried hard to cure her, and she developed a strange belief that she would die as soon as the last leaf of the creeper outside her window falls. Okay, and also it is then their neighbors, Bearman, an artist of possession, who brings back hope to Johnsy's life. Okay, now start from the story. I am just going to explain you the story. I am not going to explain you line by line. So carefully try to understand the story, because all the questions are based on the story. Okay. Sui and Johnsy, as I explain you further, that they are two young artists who live together, and they live together in a small flat. Okay, and it is located on the third story of the old house. That means first story, second story, and third story. And it is a very old house, and Johnsy fell ill in November due to pneumonia. Okay, and in her illness, Johnsy would lie on the bed without moving, because when the pneumonia got worse, and she can't help it out for walking also. Okay, then Johnsy behavior worried Sui, so she called the doctor, and the doctor came every day, but was no improvement in the Johnsy's health, because she is not getting better, and she is getting worse and worse according to doctor. One day the doctor informed Sui that Johnsy had lost her willingness to live, because students, when we have a willing from our heart or from our depth of our body, then we can improve ourselves. But if we give up, then nobody can improve our health. So doctor said that he lost her willingness. Okay, so without hope and willingness, no medicine would cure her. After that, Sue tried to make Johnsy take an interest in things. She would talk about clothes, fashions, but nothing interested Johnsy. So he even brought her a drawing board and some type of that kind of things, that he get interest into it and make herself happy. And Sui also warned Johnsy that according to her hobbies, with the help of his choices, maybe his interest, his willingness boost up, and the medicines would cure herself, but all in waste. Okay, one day Sui noticed that Johnsy was looking out of the window and counting the backyards. So he saw that Johnsy was looking at an old Eric creeper that was climbing the brick wall, just like you can say that your money plant. Okay, wall opposite their window. The creeper was shedding its leaf due to the strong wind. Uh, After that, Sui shocked when she came to know that Jhansi believed that she would die when the last leaf of the creeper would fall. She believes that when the last leaf, when the tree shed his last leaf, that day she will die. And she disregarded Jhansi's belief. She told Jhansi to think positively. He tried a lot for her, but she is not convinced, and also requested her not to look at the cripple. Okay, now after that she had to paint an old miner, so she called Behrman to be her model. Behrman was a 60-year-old painter who is an artist, and he lived in the ground floor of this same house. They are supposed to live in a third floor, and the artist was lived in first floor. Okay, Behrman was not a successful artist. He always had a dream of painting masterpiece, but was not successful in doing so. And so he told Behrman about the Jhansi's condition and belief. Later, after that, Sui and Behrman went to the Jhansi's room and saw that only one leaf remained on the creeper. That means they also have a type of a thought in their mind that maybe the belief of Jhansi, sometimes it will become true, so they are also in a panic. Next morning, Jhansi saw that the last leaf was still hanging on the Imli creeper, and she was surprised to see that after the strong wind, the leaf had not fallen. In fact, it looked green and healthy. Looking at the last leaf, Jhansi realized her mistake, and she called Sui and apologized to her for losing hope, because her friend always tried to boost up his willingness. Okay, now after that we can take out this lesson in our next online class. Read this lesson very nicely, because this story is very heart-touching story, and the meaning of this story is very powerful. So till then, goodbye.